Ugen the Shutula. All over there, New York, Tibetan National Congress, where I had Lenzoki, Sotore. Koratola Marazu, poster David Exterior, from the Nange Koranzo, the jail of Puchoga. The Condemnang Koranzo Shubina, Serba Anzu, Condemn Gotinang, Soso, Mayola, Dojigabula, Rabka, Taganasi Tenzila, Taganasi, Tangla, the Gabinang, Mamushu Pedo. Koranzo see the same shoe, Liam and Dush Sway. So, Chicago ki water tower ne, New York ki Nyamde Gazodo. All over Kule, Mr. Tanasa de, Nima Shipchu Shigu, Ninche, New York ki Mimaki, Kele Nane, Ninche, Shabde Mulam Kute, Kushibare, Stemsula Mindo, Kalimpong, Arunachal, Europe, Zambalin Khala. Paulo Ranzeki, Shishim Papa, Ranzeta, Pedetola Leginangi Kangala, Shanchulaya Mindu Udapanange, Hogenange, Papatanange, Supula Tatu Tinange, Tashwene Dunge, Koranzu Kangala, Shanchulaya Mindu. I am a Tibetan. That word, Tibetan, it cannot be used easily. It's very simple to say, I am Tibetan. Paulo Garanze, before you went to self-emulate, said, I am Tibetan. That means you carry a responsibility. Being a Tibetan means you carry a responsibility that's been passed down from generations. When you say, I am a Tibetan, you are fighting for Tibet. You are fighting for Tibet's independence. You are representing His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, across the world. When you say, I am Tibetan, you are representing Tibetan culture, language, history, and identity. So when you say, I am Tibetan, say it with pride. Say it loud. Say it strong. When you say, I am Tibetan, we inherit a struggle, but we also bring hope. We bring hope to speak, to resist, and to never surrender. When you say, I am Tibetan, you become the voice of the voiceless. You become the voice of our siblings who are suffering in occupied Tibet. When you say, I am Tibetan, you carry forward the will of the 171 self-immolators. You carry forward the generation of Tibetans who are dying in foreign land, in exile. And when you say, I am Tibetan, you are making a commitment that no more Tibetan will die on foreign soil. When you say, I am Tibetan, you are committed to bring back His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, back to the Potala Palace in a free and independent Tibet. As Tibetans, our very existence is a responsibility. Our very existence is resistance. There is a saying, pray for the dead, fight like hell for the living. And that is what we do as Tibetans. To the world, we keep saying, if there is justice in this world, it has to come through Tibet. If there is human rights in Tibet, in the world, look at the Tibetan faces. If the Tibetan people are fighting for human rights, the world has not had human rights. To the activists, to the people who fight power, I tell them, stand with us. Stand with us, because our genocide is not different from yours. Our suffering is not different from yours. And our call for justice is not different from yours. 171 Tibetans have self-immolated. Every Tibetan carries 171 holes, burning holes in our heart. And I tell you all, don't let that fire extinguish. Keep that anger. Keep that fury. Because as Tibetans, our responsibility is to go back to Tibet, and from the ashes of our self-immolators, we will build a new Tibet.
Yep. We will.
The Tibetan mountains and the rivers are calling us. The land, the beautiful land of Tibet under the blue skies are calling us. This should be a reunion, not just for Tibetans in exile, but Tibetans in Tibet, in occupied Tibet, as Tibetans. So I want to tell you, when we fight for Tibet, it is our country, it is our responsibility. It is our responsibility to mobilize, to stand united, to organize, to take the words of our martyrs, especially Paulo Garanzen's testimony, in our heart. Listen to it, understand it, because every word is what makes us Tibetan. So when you say, I am Tibetan, think of what it means. Reflect on what it means and act on what it means. Because our unity is not just solidarity. Our unity is survival. We are an endangered species, and if we don't unite, if we don't stand together, if we don't break the Choga Chulu, Uma Rangse, this, that, this and that, we will fall apart. So when you say, I am Tibetan, you take all of that with you. As Tibetan, long show, Tabasange long show. Long show, Tabasange long show. Long show, Tabasange long show. Pegalo, Perangze galo, Pegalo, Power Logarangze galo, Perangze.
Thank you.